Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today we will talk about the Capcut application, and I'll let to show you the way how we can remove the emoji from the video clip on your Capcut project. So here I already have this video clip and I already got this emoji on it. So the way how you can remove this emoji is quite simple. Whenever you click this emoji, there will be no actions running. So the thing that you have to do is just go with this text options, guys, to activate the emoji section. And then you just need to type into the emoji section, and there will be an X there. You can just go click it right away, or you can do the other way by just go click delete button on this side. And if those emojis come from the text, say here I would like to add the emoji from the text. And the way how you can remove it is also simple. So basically, whenever you upload it, and then you just need to do the further editing, so you can access the emoji section. It's just them. Go click this text, and there will be activated section. Click it and just delete it. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this video a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.